Welcome to Val's Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर मानता तुमकां सगळी बरी आसली सावूद आनी भलायकेन. So today I am going to show you all how to make Caesar salad. So Caesar salad is a salad where you need some croutons, that is toast, bread toast. So I have taken around 6 baked toast and I have cut them into this. You can make out of sliced bread or whatever it is. So if you don't have time, just buy some toast and which are baked, and you can make small pieces of it. Okay, so these are like around 6 to 7 toast. Then I'll show you the size also. So these are like this toast which are baked. Then what else we need? This is garlic paste. So I will be taking around 1 tablespoon heaped of garlic and saute it with some olive oil. So use any olive oil to saute it. Then we need around 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard sauce, which is easily available. You can buy it. Lime, salt to taste, and crushed pepper. And we need some lettuce leaves. Okay, so now you can take the other one also. These are green ones, so I have taken green one. You can take the other one also, the whole one you get. Let's make now. So we'll take some olive oil. So you can put raw also garlic, okay, garlic paste, but I want to do this way. So 1 and 2. So we put 2 and saute this for a while, just to remove the rawness. And the same one we will use them. And this is ready. We put off the gas. So now it's up to you how you all want to serve. So olden time it was directly they used to put this on a plate and put that all the sauces together and eat. But it's up to you again how you want to serve. So I will try to chop this, not big, not small, so we can eat it nicely. So I've taken that full packet which I got it from supermarket. If you are having more guests, then you will be needing more. So now let's assemble this. So first of thing, we will add our Dijon sauce. Okay, so now this is also veg. Okay, it's a Dijon mustard sauce without eggs. Then we will add our garlic. And then we will add our lime juice. So 1 lime juice you need it for this much of this. And you have to consume or eat this very quickly. You cannot keep this for long. And then we will add some crushed pepper, salt accordingly. At least 1 teaspoon you should add, and olive oil again. And the main ingredient is Parmesan cheese. Okay, Parmesan cheese, which is easily available, expensive, but yes, this is the main ingredients also of this. We have to garnish this with this. Some olive oil. Around 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and we'll mix this. Now we'll add little bit of salt to taste. We'll add salt to taste. Then we will add our grated Parmesan cheese. So you need half cup or 1/4 cup at least for this recipe. So I'm adding this so that the flavor goes here also. Remaining I will add on the top. So I will mix this. So cheesy flavor is also there for this. And now we will add all this and we will toss this. And we will toss this nicely. So as soon as you make it, you have to serve it and eat it. Just garnish this and eat it, and it is 100% veg. Even the Parmesan cheese which I have brought, it is, you get it. If you search, you will get it. But if not, then yeah, this cheese. So now what we will do next, we will also toss this with some cheesy flavor and some pepper. And tinge of olive oil. So around 3 tablespoons of olive oil you need for this recipe. More than fine, it's up to you. And now this will go directly on this and be served. be served. Hope you all will enjoy this Caesar salad, which is easy and quick to make. So I will show you how to serve and have. So now we'll serve this. So serve this nicely. And enjoy this salad. Easy to make, delicious, not much work also to make toast. If you want to make it at home, like saute it with garlic and all and oil and all, you can do. But if you are little bit health of conscious and want to have little, then yes, this is it. Make it, enjoy it, and love it. Hope you all will enjoy this. And now we will create as this. So anybody wants more parmesan cheese, yes, you can always add more to this, but it's up to each one of you all how much you all want to. So थँक यू. मानता तुमका हे आवडटलें तुमी हें करून खातेलें. थँक्यू. देव बरें करूं. थँक्यू सो मच. एन्जॉय. Enjoy this Caesar salad, which is veg, 100% pure veg. The ingredients what I've shown you all and how to make. Try this recipe and make your occasion a wonderful occasion where your guests will all be happy. Thank you.